Okay, so if our quadratic equation is not already factored for us, we're going to have to factor it ourselves. So we're going to have to remind ourselves of the butterfly method. So let's remind ourselves of what the butterfly method was real quick. The formula was an x with a little line through it, and then we have an ax on either side, and then a b on the bottom, and then a times c on the top. So we're going to start with that first, and then we'll follow up with zero product property after we factor. So for a, I have a equals 1, b equals 5, and c equals negative 14, and then I'm going to plug that into my formula. So I get 1x and 1x, and then 5 on the bottom, and then 1 times negative 14, which gives me negative 14. Okay, so now I'm going to take my negative 14. Let's talk about factors of negative 14. Our c term was negative, so we're looking for a difference. And that also means that our sign are going to be different. So we're going to have one positive and one negative. Okay, so factors of 14. I have positive 1 and negative 14, negative 1 and positive 14, positive 2 and negative 7, and negative 2 and positive 7. Those are all my factors of 14. So which one of those subtracts, because we're looking for a difference, to be positive 5? And hopefully we've had enough practice to see that it's 7 minus 2. That gives me positive 5. So I'll put positive 7 in the positive spot and 2 in the negative spot. And then my factors are x plus 7 and x minus 2. Now, because this the problem said equals 0, I have to carry on the equals 0 because that's an indicator that I need to use the zero product property. So I'm going to have both of these factors equal to 0. So x plus 7 equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. I'm going to do the opposite of addition, which is subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 7 on either side, and I get x equals negative 7. That's the first place the parabola touches the x-axis. And I'm going to add 2 on either side, and I get x equals positive 2 for the other solution.